Okay, so here's my little Stirling engine. This is my methylated spirit burner. Just let that warm up. Hitting it in the pipe helps to get up the pipe. Just need some cold water in the water jacket. Spilled a spot of it just there. Clumsy fool. Just going to pop that under there, centre it, and let it heat up for a little bit. Not too happy about the fact that the reservoir for the methylated spirit burner is open. I would like a closed one, but it's not the end of the world. Rotate it this way so we can see a little better. This, you may be able to see a small amount of smoke pouring out these holes here. That's just deposits of carbon on the bottom of the heat chamber, or bits of residue water or stuff, just stuff left over from the last run. Maybe some glue or something. Let's see over there. Yeah, we are. Originally I had two, this is hot down the bottom. Originally I had two con rods. I'm down to a single con rod, and it actually runs better without the extra one. But this piece of wire here is the con rod, and this fishing line that you may not be able to see too well, coming off the centre and going down the middle of the hole there, is the cam rod. In other words, this fishing line is responsible for timing the engine and making it run. Displacing the heat, displacing the air inside, so that it moves the air up to the top where the water is to cool down and contract, which pulls the balloon in. And then as the balloon's pulled in, that lifts the displacer up and it moves the air down to the bottom section where the heat's being applied, and that causes the air to expand, which causes the balloon here to bow outwards, and that pushes the the bowing in and out is what pushes the camshaft round. The flywheel here is just to carry the energy around through the cycle, otherwise it wouldn't quite make it. The goal is to get these even smaller. At the moment, as you can see, I'm using normal sized Coke cans for the middle structure. I want to get down to using mini cans, and once I've got that, I then want to have 4 of these vertical sections on the same crankshaft, each one with the crank 90 degrees past where the last one was, so that they all push in turn rather than at the same time. Hopefully that will result in one pulling and one pushing it at any given moment, in theory. But yeah, it runs quite well for an engine made out of junk. I'm really pleased with it. I'm not the first to do this, other people have done it as well, but I'm very, very, very thrilled with the success. I never thought I'd be able to do it, but refused to give up.